Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying the Organique's Mastermix 4-piece hair. So I have 14, 16, 18 inches, and then I have a closure. So this is the end result. It was only $25. It's okay. It's good for beginners if you just want to learn how to like make a wig, construct a wig. It is stiff. You probably gotta get some fabric softener and water and spray it because it is stiff. This is after straightening. So it was worse before, so it's okay. It's okay. So yeah, I plucked the part and I put some foundation and yeah. So this is how it looks up under. You see, this is like the band of the wig cap. I cut that piece out. I cut all that out. So yeah, this is what it looks like.
past 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours.
If you take a picture like that, but it's not bad. It's not bad. Like, it's not tangling like bad. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing more wig videos, so see you next time.